We got ourselves some TRQ shocks from One A Auto. Pretty good deal. $114 for all 4 of these. Free shipping and no tax for the old GMC here. And we're gonna get these installed. So here is the bottom. They're the rear shocks, and we got our 7/8 wrench here. I'm gonna hold on to it like that, or on this side. And we're gonna take the impact and we're gonna drive that out and do the same with the top. Be back when it's done. Right, so we've got one rear shock out, and let's put this new one in. So we've got both rear shocks installed. Time to go to. Okay, so now we're on to the front shocks here. We're gonna start with the passenger side. And these are the old rear shocks, and they go down pretty easily, but barely come back up compared to the other ones. So for the front, what you need to do is you put like vice grips, I found to work best for me, on the flat part right here, and then you use a wrench to take the nut off. And then once you got that off, you have to come under here and you take that bolt that goes to the other side, and then you slide the shock that way and it should slide out. You've got shock number 1 out, and we're gonna put this one in. Passenger side front shock is on. Take a look at that. Now to the driver's side. Okay, so tightening up the last bolt. Ay, that's hot. Tightening up this last bolt here. Doing this, then we will be completely done. Complete shocks replacement. Before you guys go, I wanted to show you the aftermath of this driver's side front shock. It is bad. Look at this. So first of all, it's completely covered in its own oil. And second of all, when you try to push down on it, you can't push it down. It is completely frozen solid. Like, there's no way you could compress this. So this is probably why the ride quality was so terrible, besides all the other blown shocks. But pretty much, yeah. This is the good one. Let me show you that. Or not the good one. This is the shock from the other side. You can see that it could actually be compressed. Oh yeah. See, it can be compressed. It comes back up very slowly. But not the other one. So, time to clean up the work area and have a good day.